Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you my database for online manipulatives and games. This is a project that's in progress and something I'm working on. The reason I'm putting together this database is I found that in my teacher education classes and in my workshops when I'm working with teachers, I often want to have an online manipulative like pattern blocks or base 10 blocks or something like that. And sometimes I was lazy and would Google for that before class and just pick one randomly. And I found that not all online manipulatives are created equal. That's why I created this database. It is over at math260.drjimo.net, and I want to show it to you. Okay, we're here at math260.drjimo.net, and I'm going to hit virtual manipulatives. If you'd like to look at these other links, you may. Let's get right to the database with links. Here is the database, and it is a Google sheet, a Google spreadsheet inside the Google Drive. And I have some graphics here to give you an idea of the types of things that you're going to be looking at. And the live link is right here. The first one I want to do as a quick demo is the pattern blocks. So this is clickable. And this is at the Math Learning Center, which I found to be an excellent website with a number of really good, high quality online manipulatives. So let's bring in a few examples here. It is possible to put one manipulative on top of another, and you can move these as a group. It's useful to learn the tools down here because these are used on all or many of their manipulatives. You can also put a text box on here and say, for example, that 1/6 plus 1/3 equals 1/2. And this little text box can be moved around and you can do various things with it. So this is the pattern block online manipulative from the Math Learning Center. And there's a lot of things you can do with it. The second one I'd like to demonstrate is the Polypad from Mathagon. And this is a really hot website right now from Mathagon, and they have many, many things here. Fraction bars, fraction circles, and so on. The one I'll demonstrate is Tangram. And you can rotate these pieces and bring them in here and do lots of things. This one also has a text tool. And this can be moved around. So there's a lot of nice things. You can put things in the trash. There's an eraser. I'll let you play with this. If you hold down Shift, you can select more than one thing. And then right here is the duplicate. So it makes it nice for manipulating and moving these things around. I'll let you play with Tangram from the Polypad. In my third example, I would like to demonstrate one of the games in the database. It's the product game from NCTM. I'm adding more games to the database, so if you have ideas for either games or math manipulatives that are online, please email those to me. This is called the product game. And we try to get 4 products in a row, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You can have a 2-person game, or you can have a 1-person game against the computer. So these 2 squares are the 2 factors. So let's say I go first and I pick a 5. Now the computer takes his square and picks a 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Now it's my turn. So what do I want to do next? I think I'm going to do 4 times 4. The two factors can be the same. This gives me this location, which blocks him this way and gets something set up here. So he changed it to 4 times 7. I can either move this factor or I can move this factor. What might I want to do next? I think I'm going to make it 4 times 2, which is 8, to give me this product. And the game continues until somebody gets 4 in a row. In this video, I have demonstrated some of the online manipulatives and games that I have in this database, which is a spreadsheet in Google Drive. I hope you've enjoyed this video and hope you can use lots of math manipulatives in games. Have a great day.